This is insane! Like, do you see this room? Let me do a room tour for you guys. Look at this. Hello, this is so cool. Come out of the bathroom this way. Luke's over there getting it. Get it, get it, get it. So weird wardrobe thing right here. TV, some more drawers, mirror. There's a couch behind me.
It's kind of good. He said it was to die for.
There's witness that you had avocado. You ate avocado. Oh yes, I knew it, yes.
What is that?
The braised beef.
And then you got chickpea. Oops.
Good morning, happy Tuesday to you all. So it's really bright and early. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning and we have booked a clear bottom kayak kind of tour thing. So we're gonna get to be able to go into Rock Springs and like kayak across the water with clear bottom boats so you can see the bottom of the water. It'll be really cool, I think. It'll be exciting, so.
I'm tired.
I'm pretty tired too. We ate a lot of food yesterday, so I'm feeling really weighed down and in a food coma, so I didn't really eat breakfast this morning. We might even get a workout in later or something, but for right now we're on our way to the clear bottom kayaks.
Relaxing.
Yeah, so I would definitely recommend going to Rock Springs in the morning, like at 8 a.m. whenever they first open up, because you have to kayak upstream, so it's more of a workout. And by the time we were coming back at like 10 something, there was so much traffic in the water that you were running into people. So it was definitely like very peaceful and serene while we were on the water, and I would highly recommend doing the clear bottom kayaks. That was so cool. Now we got to get some food and shower up and stuff like that, and then we don't really know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but we'll figure it out, I guess. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. We aren't really sure what you saw last from yesterday. It was probably us canoeing. We didn't do that much after that yesterday because we were kind of wiped out and just tired from that. So right now we are in line about to get on our bus to go to Animal Kingdom because today's the big day. We're doing a park today. This is the only park we're doing this trip, so we're gonna make the most of it. And hopefully our bus will be here and we can go into Animal Kingdom. Got off the dinosaur ride. I forgot how fun that one was. It moves a lot and like swishes you around and stuff, but it's pretty dark in there, so that's why we didn't get any footage. Sorry about that. We're gonna go to the restrooms and see what our next ride is. Heading to the Kayaking. We had to run from the restaurant, but we made it. To the hotel to change after the River Rapids ride because we were freezing and we were cold and my socks were wet, and that's like the worst feeling ever. So now that we are changed up, we have a fast pass to the Flight of Passage. That is Avatar rides are. Yeah, the best Avatar ride. So we're gonna head back to the Animal Kingdom now.
We just ran from the buses to Navi River.
We had like 3 minutes to run from the front of the park to freaking Navi.
To Pandora. Oh wait, hold on. Navi line.
We had 1 minute to spare, guys. But we made it, so let's do it.